What's up, guys? We're going in new caves with Timmy.
Yeah!
He's a little weird, okay? Don't tell him that. Okay, let's go.
Okay!
So, what should we be mining for today, Timmy?
We are ready for copper! Isn't copper the best thing? And research what is the best? First?
No. Research thingies are the best, and copper is the worst. I think it was.
We're ready for research points!
I think it was like in a previous update was uranium. I don't know if that's rare.
I got this purple diamond thing on my watch!
Timmy, I'm talking right now, so can you be quiet? Act fine. I'm just kidding.
Okay. Oh,
Timmy, come up here! Timmy, come up here! I found the lock. Timmy, come up!
Find out copper?
No,
Where?
What are these guns? No, nothing. Timmy, come up here!
I don't have a rattler!
Woo! Ow! Ah! Ah! Timmy, I'm coming down. Here. Let's go to this map. Hell, I think it was.
Where did you go, Daddy?
I'm down here. Get your flashlight.
Oh, there, Dad!
Get your light.
Where's the flashlight?
There.
Oh,
You need it.
I know. I had to drop it because he said I had to go up.
Okay, come to me. We need to go to the hell map, I think. If I know the way.
No.
Oh, the spider. Watch out. Remember? It was here you died. So don't die this time. Okay, Timmy. Is that a deal?
Maybe.
Oh, Timmy, look. You got a crate. Let's open it.
Okay.
Oh, a crossbow. We don't need that. So, Timmy.
Why do we need it?
You don't.
That's cool.
Timmy, do you want to go? Oh, watch out. The spider is here. Watch out.
The spider?
Yes. Remember you
I
died?
died. Woo! Yeah, I died this time too.
Timmy, no!
Trust me. I'll not die. I'll survive. I'm Spider-Man.
Let's kill him. Come here.
I'm friends with the spider. I'm Spider-Man.
Ow. That.
Spooderman. What?
Watch out! No, Timmy! Oh, you killed him. Good. Let me revive you. Come here.
What's revive? Daddy.
You're alive.
What's revive?
Don't you know what revive is?
No, what is revive? Oh, Daddy. Daddy, the silver. Isn't that almost the best?
I don't know.
What is the best?
Come, Timmy, come. We need to go to the hell map. I think it's this way. If I'm not wrong.
I think the spider's here.
Okay.
What is it?
Yeah, it's this way, I think. Yeah. Timmy! Oh, hello, Timmy.
Daddy,
Yeah?
what happens if I go to the ground?
Nothing. Oh! The boogeyman thingy! Oh, he scared me. He can punch you.
It's a boogeyman.
Just don't get hit by him.
Booger? I see his boogers.
No, he's dangerous.
Oh, he my boogers?
I see the way into the hell map. Come on.
What?
Come here. We need to go into the hell map.
I don't want to go to hell.
Just come. Or else you're not getting no ice cream.
I need ice cream.
I'm not giving you ice cream. Timmy, I'm not giving you no ice cream, okay?
Can you get ice cream if everyone likes and subscribes?
Sure. I guess. So please like and subscribe. Okay. What? Timmy! Calm down.
Daddy, I would make it! No! I didn't make it, Daddy!
Where did... Oh, you did. I'm blind. Okay, let's go!
Hi, Dad!
No, you're not. Just come. Timmy, come all the way down. I see you. Timmy, come on.
Hopefully, does that mean there's a chance that I die?
It's in here. Come on. We need to go. In here. Oh.
Okay. Daddy, you punched me. It hurt.
Sorry.
Daddy? What's this?
No, nothing. It's just Chernobyl, I guess. The way to... Is it... Oh, yeah, it's over here. Come on, Timmy. I think. Yeah, it's over here. Timmy, come on. Come on, Timmy. Oh.
Do I get ice cream for going inside here?
Yeah. Go. Psych. I'm just kidding. I'm going in. Whee!
Chocolate ice cream.
You want chocolate ice cream?
I want chocolate ice cream.
You want it now? What?
Will I get chocolate ice cream, Daddy?
Yes.
Yay!
Oh, we're in. Timmy!
What's this? What am I
Watch out for these flying fishy thingies, or what, I don't know what it is.
Flying fish? I like flying fish. I love flying fish.
If you're gonna die, it's your fault, so I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Timmy.
Daddy!
Timmy, no!
I died.
No, you didn't.
No!
Timmy, no!
I survived!
Good. Timmy, watch out, they're coming, I think. If I'm not, yeah, they are. Woo! I'm stuck. I'm not. I'm just backing away. Nothing too serious. Timmy? Timmy, where are you?
I'm dying! Let me down! Here!
I see you.
I'm here! I'm here,
Wait.
Here!
We need to escape.
Okay!
Come on, let's go.
You saved you're going!
Ow! I'm burning myself. Ow! Timmy, no, I'm coming. Where are you?
I'm running here! No! No! Running!
Come here. Yes, I'm gonna see.
I'm disappointed.
No. No, I'm not. You're gonna die in the first. Ah!
Oh, I died!
Timmy, I can't. Timmy, no! Just revive. Just spawn. Just spawn and spawn. I'm coming. Just. No! I died. grappling hook. Or hook shot. Or whatever you call it. Timmy, I died!
Daddy!
I died, Timmy!
No! You still have the hook shot, what, Daddy?
No.
No, Daddy!
Because you died, right? You ain't getting no ice cream because you died. You okay?
Daddy! You gotta give me ice cream, right?
Timmy, it's free ice cream in there. Timmy, no, Timmy! I see free ice cream in there. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll be ending the video right there. Like and subscribe, and say bye to Timmy, because he's gonna die. Come here, Timmy. Come here. Timmy, come here.